Welcome to our channel. Today we how to verify Duo Security MFA for remote access safety. Complete guide step by step clearly. To verify Duo Security MFA for remote access safety, begin by opening your web browser. Navigate to your organization's login page. Enter your username and password in the required fields. Click the Login button to proceed. You will be prompted to approve a Duo Security MFA request. Check your registered device for a Duo notification. This may arrive via push notification, SMS, or a phone call. If you receive a push notification, open the Duo app on your mobile device. In the app, review the login request details. Tap the Approve button to verify your identity. If you opted for a phone call, answer the call. Follow the prompt to confirm your login attempt. In the case of an SMS verification, check your messages for the provided code. Enter the code into the appropriate field on the login page. Click Submit to complete the verification process. Once verified, you will gain access to your organization's system. Ensure you keep your device secure to maintain access safety. If you encounter issues, reach out to your organization's IT support for assistance. This concludes the verification process for Duo Security MFA. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.